What is going on, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to Auto Auction Rebuilds. Today, we're going to take the car that everybody loves to hate, my 2024 Dodge Charger Scat Pack Daytona track package electric vehicle that we have out here at the Hot Rod Power Tour. We are in Tulsa, Oklahoma, and we're getting ready for the first time ever to take this thing and put it on the track, see what kind of numbers we can get as it sits. I'm not going to do anything special. We didn't go into this whole race mode where you have to plug in and do all these weird things to get it to race properly. We're just going to put it in like track mode. We're going to hit the racetrack. We're going to see what she does. So stick around. It should be a fun video. All right, so who's riding with me to go racing?
That'd be me.
No? All right, it's going to be Jason. This is going to be fun. We should show him the trunk. Mike, you want to open the trunk and show him we didn't prepare for the race at all. In the trunk, it is fully loaded, and it's going to have two full-size men in it. So I think it'll do 0 to 60 in, it's supposed to do it in 3.3. I think we'll do it in 3.4. Right?
That's about right.
All right, well guys, we're gonna jump in this car. We're gonna hit the racetrack. Staging is right over there. And we're gonna see how it does against, I don't know how they determine who gets paired up with who, if it's completely random, you just get thrown together.
Yeah.
Oh hell, this should be fun. It could be something really bad, it could be something really good. You're gonna find out in the video right along with us. So let's jump in the car and let's take this thing to the track. Well, I've never looked more ridiculous, but there.
I look equally as ridiculous.
Here we go. All you gotta do is hold the camera, that's it.
I can handle this.
Oh boy.
You gonna do a burnout?
No.
No, you're gonna go around?
Yeah. Okay. I don't blame him. Tell us to wait or go.
I don't know. Guess he's not doing a burnout.
He already did it, I suppose.
Hold. I guess we're running alone.
What?
Yeah, I think we're running alone. Unless someone else pops up right now.
There's plenty of cars behind us.
Is that another Charger back there? What is
yeah,
it? Yeah,
there's a Charger back there.
we need that guy. See what the old Trans Am gets. Yeah, 13.6.
Further forward?
Yep. What's up? You go. All right.
Moment of truth, huh?
Yep, now we're gonna see it. No, keep going, don't slow down.
Oh.
All right, now.
Why did it not feel like the car was launching?
It launched.
It did?
Yeah. Felt good.
I gotta do that again.
Yeah, I think we should squeeze another one. That was the practice round.
That didn't feel like I expected it to, man.
No.
It launches harder on the street.
Yep.
I popped my cherry, so to speak. All right, any guesses in the comment section what this thing just ran? I didn't see it. I don't know. I think it said I ran
7.682, but don't quote me on that.
Yeah, this is an 8th mile track, right?
Yep. Oh, here's the downside.
Oh, are you kidding me?
Yeah.
We got to do this again?
Yeah, apparently. Oy. All right, should we shut it off?
Yeah.
All right, here we are for round 2 with Randy.
Round 2.
We're gonna try to do a little better this time with the launch control.
Everybody's screwing up, man. That Cadillac just pissed the guy off. The guy's like,
exactly.
stop!
Just stop! Yep, just hold right this line.
All right, so launch control, you got to smash it. It says continue to hold brake and punch full throttle. All right, we'll try. I'm tempted to just turn launch control off, just do the damn thing. So ChatGPT said that 7.0 whatever we got, 7.9 or 7.8 was not exceptional, which is its way of saying that it was not good at all. So we're gonna try launch control this time. I had it turned on, but I didn't know how to activate it. Oh, it just turned off.
What did?
Launch control? Yeah.
I'll turn it back on now.
All right, launch control on.
What's it doing? Here.
You got a passenger. You gotta wait.
Okay, sure. Do we not get to race each other?
No, because you have a passenger.
Oh,
He gets out of the car, you can race him. That's NHRA, so.
okay, I'm sorry. Didn't know,
no, you're
man.
fine.
All right, thank you.
Yep.
Guess I'll do it the third time. Whoever's calling me, you can wait. Launch control. Yep. These one. Yep. There we go. .891. All right, so
It burnt the tires that time, right here.
it's gotta be. Yep.
That was better. The time didn't seem like it was much better, but that was better, man. All right. Round 3. I guess I got to ditch my passenger this time.
Oh well.
That sucks.
No one can film, but oh well. We'll make.
Hopefully somebody's under the bleachers or on the bleachers filming, so I can have some footage of what this thing looked like actually going down the track. Whew. All right, that was fun. Shout out to Jason over here for riding along on my first time.
My pleasure.
That you put your life in my hands.
No one ever said I was smart.
All right, guys, let's get back to the track. Let's try this again. Let's see if we can race somebody this time. All right, guys, we're about to line up against a Scat Pack. Let me tell this guy real quick. Hey, that Scat Pack over there wants to race.
The black one?
Yeah.
Okay.
All right, just letting you know.
All right.
Thank you. All right, guys, this is. I'm having so much fun. I'm having an incredible time here. Hot Rod Power Tour. Highly recommend. Let me back up just a little bit. Make sure I'm out of the way in case somebody else wants to come race. Oh boy, we got a Camaro going up against a Cobra, guys. All right, I got to roll the window up. I'm going to turn this camera around, and we're going to race us a Scat Pack. Here we go. Scat Pack. Goodbye. 7.7.
Well, one, that's his best.
Woo! That was fun, boys. That was fun. We're finally using this car for what it was intended for, and I'm having an absolute blast. I think what we're going to do now, I think I'm done. We've done enough laps for the day. I think I'm going to go ahead and find a place to park this thing, let her relax for a little while, and I'm going to go meet up with the other guys. We're going to see how everybody else is doing. I had a great time, man. I had a great time. I thought about putting this like at the end of the video, but I thought maybe we'd treat you guys to some racing at the very beginning. Well, before we go touring some of the cars and I just give you guys some music and some B-roll, I want to give a big shout out to Jason S.
Thanks, everyone.
Love the red hat, man. Thank you. What does that say? Yeah, okay. Jason S., we have had a great time, man. I hope you come out and do this again.
Absolutely, back next year.
Next year, you're going to have a special car.
Hopefully.
And maybe we could run.
Hey, but look, this year, we took the 1980 450 SL I bought from you. The car had been off the road for at least 6 years. Had a little work done to it, so a shout out to DC Motor Works in Atlanta for getting the car ready for me, and special shout out to Cameron Davis and Andy over there for getting that done for me. And we took that car and drove it 1,000 miles with minimal problems.
Minimal.
Yep.
It did. In miles per gallon, what'd you get on it?
Around 15 miles per gallon.
15.
Yep.
Not bad for a 1980 Mercedes with a V8 engine.
Exactly.
That's a cool car. They did great work on that, man. And of course, Monkey Wrench Mike. Couldn't have done it without you, man.
You like my blue hat?
Not really. No, your blue hat's cool, Mike. Your blue hat's cool.
Yeah.
I hope you had a good time.
It was fun.
It was
really
fun. Are you coming next year? You think maybe?
To be determined.
Aww.
He's in.
Yeah, we're gonna force Monkey Wrench Mike along. If you don't know who Monkey Wrench Mike is, he is the Mercedes guru. He's here to take the title away from, what's that, Clark Kent?
Kent Bergsman.
Or wait, that's Superman. Same thing. Say they're the same thing. Same thing. So if you don't know who Monkey Wrench Mike is, go check him out because his videos are great. And we had a lot of fun over this, however many days. It's been 5 or 6.
Many days.
We've got Everything Changes 21. This is Delbert 23?
Yeah, 23.
Was it ever 21?
No.
Okay. Well, I'm an idiot. That's fine.
Hey, it's been a while since we've seen each other, so it's okay.
It has.
Randy doesn't watch my channel because he's busy.
I only watch a few channels. I watched your video the other day too, by the way. So Everything Changes 23. Santa's Workshop is in the house. He came up to Tulsa. Oh. That's right. I will never, ever.
I keep doing it myself.
Santa's Hot Rod Garage. He changed the channel name. That's not entirely my fault. All right, Santa's Hot Rod Garage is here, so go check him out as well. I'll put links to these guys below. We're still trying to convince him to start a YouTube channel. I don't think he doesn't want any. He saw what was involved. He's like, I don't want any part of that.
See, I could probably follow him around and get more views than what I'm getting.
Yeah. All right, well,
I think this is easy though, and it really is not.
thanks to all of these guys for coming out here and making it happen. This was an absolute blast. I look forward to doing it next year. Hopefully, maybe Nick comes along. I told him you missed out on some drag racing today, man.
Oh man, he did.
I would have let him. Can you be 18 and do drag racing?
Yes.
Yeah.
I would have let him do it. Oh, he would have had a blast.
No, there's some younger ones that all they got to go through NHRA and get their license.
Right. All right, well, next year, guys, let's walk around and let's see what kind of cars we got here. I'll throw you guys some B-roll, do some music, a little bit of car footage, and then we're going to head out of here and hit the house. I think that's going to be a wrap for Hot Rod Power Tour, guys. I had an absolute blast. I highly recommend, if you got the time, you don't have to have a hot rod. You can have an electric car like me. You can have a Toyota Prius. We've seen some of those, seen plenty of Teslas out here. I mean, any car you can imagine, old, new, and everything in between, they're out here. Have fun at the track. The track didn't cost anything. It was part of the entry fee. So you can come out here, and even if you got a Prius and you just want to hit the track because you've never done it before, listen, and why not? Hot Rod Power Tour, you got a year from now to plan for it. So I highly recommend you start planning and come out here. Join us. Have a good time. It's an absolute blast. I guarantee you won't regret it. I guess with that, I'm going to get out of here. Thank you all so much for watching. I appreciate y'all hanging out with me on this event. And hit that thumbs up button if you enjoy the content. Until next time, stay safe out there, everybody. I look forward to seeing you all again very soon in the next one.